Hi everyone, this is Missybeelondon here. Look at my hair. What am I going to do with it? As you can see, I put the back in a bun, and I put a little bit at the front, and I sectioned it off and I put it in a plait. Look what I got in my hand. Yes, it's a head wrap. So I'm going to show you this quick head wrap style that I've been rocking for the past couple of days. So I put the head wrap at the back of my head first of all, and then when I wrap it around the front, I just twist it around the front, overlap them shall I say, and then I connect the two ends at the back and I put a knot in them to secure it. That is what I do. That is how I secure this head wrap on my head. I mean, look at the colours on this head wrap. I've got many head wraps now, and you know what, I'm supposed to do a head wrap tutorial video, but not got around to it yet. Sorry about that. It will be done one day once this weather is cooler, because I'm still suffering in this heat. And now you just see me tucking in the ends, so you just don't see them. Bear with me, yeah, because I can't even see what I'm doing because I've not got a mirror, so I'm just going by what I can feel on my hand. And you know what, it looks pretty good. That little bit could have been tucked in a little bit more, but you know what, it's all good. Just flatten it out, just patting it down, and then now you just see me, oh, I'm just checking in the mirror again. And now you just see me unplaiting the twist in front right now. There you go. Oh, just showing you a little bit of length here, but it's not much point yet because I've just trimmed my head today. Today is the 30th of July. So hopefully this video comes out before my hair trimming video, or it might come out after my hair trimming video in August. Just showing you this lovely wooden comb that I've got from Afro, which is a French hair care, hair products brand. But I'm loving this wooden comb though. My hair doesn't really snag on it, but like I said, I trimmed my hair because my ends were bad. But I like this comb though. Very cute. Yes, it's wooden. So I just combed through it, give it a little poof. There you go. That's my little puff at the front of my head. I've noticed that head wrap styles suit my head, and I'm using the Palmer's hair milk smoothie. I use it on the two little edges of my hair, the little side bits of my hair. I just do, yeah, look at me saying now, just a little bit as well. A little bit goes a long way. Do not use a lot because it's too much. But I must say, it's very nice. I only received it. I only got this product a couple of days ago as well, and it's like, you know what? I need to use this in my hair and see how it is, and I like it. And it's moisturizing on my hair as well. So yes. So I just put a little bit at the front section of the puff. You know, give it a little moisture. Even though I'm gonna wash my hair soon, but when I say soon, in a couple of days time. But yeah, just give it a little moisture. That's why it's not good to use too much products, because it's too much on your hair. So a little bit goes a long way, like I said. Look how cute it is. Yeah, I think I was gonna say, I've noticed head wrap styles suit my head shape because I've got a long face. And it's kind of okay. So hey, having a long head has its uses sometimes. That's all I can say. Then I use a little bit more of the hair milk smoothie from Palmer's. Didn't want to get too much in my hand, and I just put a little bit between my fingers. Yeah, that's me showing you that I'm going to do that now. Just get a little bit between my fingers. This is normal speed again as well. This video is only under 6 minutes long anyway. A little bit between my fingers, and now I'm just like twisting it, finger coiling it in between my fingers, and it gives me my little curl. I mean, look at that. I could have done the same process in the front bit of my head, yeah, but you know what, it would have been too long, and it's kind of okay as it is. Yes, let me just left it like that. And I've not got the patience as well, so yeah. Yep, I'll do the same thing on the next side. You know, I had a little bit of the product on my fingertips, and I just finger coiled it, wrapped it around my hand, and then it just Look at it. I don't know if you can see, but I should have zoomed in more. I should have like gotten closer to the camera, but I wasn't thinking. This weather is a struggle in many ways. It's making me forget stuff. It's just hot. But yeah, I really should have zoomed in now. Oh well, you can kind of see. Sorry about that. Yeah, because I wasn't thinking. I think I was just thinking, let me just get this tutorial done quick and then move on to trimming my hair afterwards, which I did. So yeah, that's what I did, and thank you for watching.